let's begin from our new chapter, chapter number 8, Cards and Wheels. From this chapter, you will know more about one shape, and that shape is circle. Let's see the definition of a circle. A simple closed plane figure is called a circle. Now you have to remember this. Every point of a circle is at equal distance from a fixed point is called its center. Let's see in the image of one circle. Radius. What is the radius of the circle? Diameter. What is the diameter of the circle? Circumference. What is the circumference? Let's see in this image. This is called radius. The distance from the center of a circle to any point is called radius. Then diameter. Diameter, in short, we can say as half of the circle. If we have to make one circle, then we have to double it. See here, formula is given. Diameter is equal to 2 into radius. Then circumference. Circumference means the distance around the circle. If one circle is given, for example, this is the park. When you go for jogging, you are covering the distance, and that distance we will say as circumference of the park. Now, see here, there are so many examples about circle. One is bus, wheels of bus. This is also an example of circle. This is also an example of circle. See here, roti is given. There are so many examples of circle is surrounded by us. You must have seen many such round things around you. List some more in your notebook. You have to write so many examples of circle in your notebook. Now, have you seen the shape of the bangle? Yes, the shape of the bangle is in circle. Now, what we have to see here? Here question is given, have you ever gone to a bangle shop? Now, this girl is saying that I cannot wear this bangle because these bangles are too small. Guess which of this is of your size? Means which of these bangles is of your size? The smallest one. Now here, take a wire and make a bangle for yourself. Bangle for yourself. Can your teacher wear this bangle? No, it's not possible. You also can't wear this type of bangle. A bangle can be used to trace a circle. If we have to make a circle instantly, then what we will do? We will take any bangle or any bracelet to make a circle. Now here some examples are plate, dish, bowl, bracelet, coin, cap of bottle. These are some examples. See the shape of that examples. All are in circle. Now you will say, what is this? What is the image given here? Let's see. Let's see the question. Trace a circle with the help of some of these in your notebook or on the ground. You have to do in your notebook. Which things make the smallest circle? The cap of this pen you can use to make the smallest circle. Then you can use this ring to make smallest circle. Now let's see which thing make the biggest circle. With the help of these big plates, you can make biggest circle. Now, games with circles. Children are playing some games. Game number 2, and this we have to see here. They are playing which game? Handkerchief game? Yes. Do you play these games? Then you have to write yes. Which song do you sing when you play this? almost listen somewhere that students sing Ringa Ringa Roses. Or you can write your song if you like any other song, or you speak while playing this game. Play this game in your school. From this image, you can see that which game is this. Which game is this and which game is this? This is passing an handkerchief and this is a musical chair. Let's see the question. Why do we make a circle in each of these games? What if a rectangle was made? If rectangle was made, then we will not be happy while playing this type of games. Think of some other games you play by making circles. We had seen these two types of games. One is musical chair and passing the handkerchief. Now, if you have any other games, then you can write it here in your textbook. Now, making a circle. Nana, Chipu and Ariba want to play a game. They want to make a big circle on the ground, but they cannot make it by tracing. So, Ariba tries to draw a circle with a stick. She's tried to make a circle with a stick. Let's see the another image. What happened? Is any of these a good drawing of circle? No. Can you draw a circle on the floor with a chalk? Yes, we can draw a circle on the floor with a chalk, but we can't make a circle in proper way. So we have to write here, circle are not perfect, so we will write no, and here with the help of chalk we can make a circle. Making a circle with a rope. Can you also make a circle with a rope and nails like Ariba? Rope we can say as a thick type of thread. From this we can make a circle in proper way. The length of the rope used is equal to the length of the radius of the circle. The radius which we had seen before in the image of that circle, this is the radius. Instead of radius, we have to use the rope to make a circle, and here we will use nails. If you don't have rope or nails, what you will do? You will take simple thread and attach some pencil, then knot it properly and then make a circle with the help of this radius. See how you can draw the perfect circle of a bicycle or a bullock cart. You can use the thread or measuring tape. You have to measure the wheels of the bicycle, but radius. Are all the wheels of a bicycle or a bullock cart of the same radius? Now you have to see this. If the radius of these both are same, then write the answer yes. Have you seen a tractor or a road roller? Which is the biggest wheel you have ever seen? I think the biggest wheel we have ever seen is merry-go-round. Bye. Thank you for listening me. Take care. Be safe.